So, first step, remove the rot. You have to do that. So I decided to remove that much of the board. We pulled the soffit down also. And we're going to clean that before we put it back in. Now I need to get a measurement. Fortunately, the rafter tails are in pretty good shape. Not perfect on the one, but not bad. So I'm going to cut some boards so I can splice on a rafter tail in a few spots, maybe all of them, not sure. And I'm also going to get a measurement on the board. Oh, I gotta break off that little piece there so that's clean, straight. And then I'm gonna have to go in the wood shop, probably plane down a piece of hemlock to the right thickness and then cut it for the right width. And then I should be ready to splice in the rafter tails, get the angle on them, and then we'll put this back together. And from there, that's as far as I'm going to try to go today, or this, I should say this weekend. I'm not going to dive into that yet. If I can get over this far, from there to here, fix this, and then get this far, that would be awesome. I may not get that much done, but at least I can get this repaired. And then when we put this back together, I'll have some videos on what we're going to do to stop this from happening again. Because I also want to make a note here, and that is, it just rained today not too long before I started doing this. So right in here, I had to pull some nails out that went through the vinyl drip edge down into the board, the facer board. And when I was doing that, I had to shove my hands in here, fingers in here quite a ways, well, at least 3 inches to get the nails out. It is wet all the way back in there. So either my roof is leaking up here, which there's no sign of that, or when the water hits here, it's going back in. And I'm sure that's what's happening. The water's coming down, hitting here, and just sucking it right back in. Moisture, water likes to do that, likes to follow things. So that's where we need to get the, we'll be doing some aluminum here and bringing it out. And we have to go back underneath as far as we can get. Okay, but first we need to get this fixed.